You ready?
Yeah. Oh, skip this song. No. Let's put my card back in my wallet. Put it back in the wallet. So excited!
Alright, so.
Sorry.
Alright, so we made it to Zaxby's. We got some fries with
Fried pickles.
fried pickles.
My legs hurt.
That's an interesting.
Okay.
Fried pickles. I never tried it. Have you tried it?
Yes, of course.
What it tastes like?
Like fried pickles.
Like, what does that taste like? It tastes like, what is it like? What's the difference between like that and regular pickles?
It's crunchy. Like, it has like the coating, the breading on the outside. And you dip it in ranch. You better give me ranch.
Ranch? Boy, that sounds mad disgusting.
Please. My legs hurt.
Well, we got fries too, so.
Took up 4 parking spaces.
Yeah. But after this, we're going to Walmart.
Walmart.
And we're going to get, what are we going to
They
get?
said the red sign, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I scoot up?
Oh, yeah, because they going to walk up there. I think he was good right there. But, yeah. We're going to get a couple things from Walmart, you know. Christmas shopping and dog shopping. Talk.
I'm hungry.
Hey, we talking like, hey, we talking to
Don't
like
hit
that?
me.
This is
Get
handing
off
you.
of me!
This is handing you.
Stop. She's coming down. Yes. Thank you. Knock it off, bye-bye. Hold this, please.
I'm gonna show them the food. Show them the food.
I'm going. Okay, let's go.
Shit.
You dropped it, didn't you? I could have went the other way.
What about?